Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can submit ingredients faster in the Grow a Garden smithing event. So there's fruit, egg, and gear, and instead of searching it up one by one, I like to put my gear and my egg here, on this inventory, and my fruits is still going to stay here because if I put it one by one here, it's just hard to do. So I just basically have the fruit tab open and then my gear and then my egg. Obviously, you're going to want to pick a more common egg, but this is all I have, and I already have every pet from this egg, so I don't really need it. So just grab your plant, so your fruit, and then your egg, and then your gear. And it's just easier to submit it that way than having to go back and forth, as you can see. It's just super easy. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can submit it faster that I found. And I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.